How many grams of hydrogen peroxide, H2O2, would be in 1,575 milliliters of a 3.0% weight-to-weight H2O2 solution with a density of 1.05 grams per milliliter? So the first thing I look for is my concentration unit. I have percent weight-to-weight. So the equation for percent weight-to-weight is grams of solute divided by grams of solution times 100%. Now, I look for numbers that I can plug directly in. I have my percent weight-to-weight, so I have my 3.0% weight-to-weight, but I have a volume and a density, neither of which are appropriate to plug into either grams of solute or grams of solution at this time. I need to convert. So if I use my density equation, density equals mass divided by volume, I can plug my density of 1.05 grams per milliliter equals mass divided by 1,575 milliliters. If I bring that across and solve for mass, to three significant figures, I can say that my mass equals 1,650 grams. Now, which mass is this? Because we have a mass of solute and a mass of solution that we need in our problem. Well, what we calculate from the density is always the mass of solution. So our 1,650 grams goes in the bottom, goes in the denominator. And we have our grams of solute in the numerator. So solving for grams of solute, we would bring the 1650 over, multiplying it, and the 100% over, dividing it, giving us 3.0%, 1650 grams, all over 100%, and those units of percent will cancel out, so that we're simply left with the following answer. But our 3.0% means that if we did 49.6, we'd have too many significant figures. So we need to round it. And to two significant figures, it would simply be 50. Now, if you wanted to write it in an unambiguous way, you could convert it over to scientific notation and write it as 5.0 times 10 to the 1 grams of hydrogen peroxide, either of which would be an acceptable final answer.